So hello guys, ito po ang aking activity. User registration, login, CAPTCHA, midware, and user roles. Student will create a basic web application with user registration, login, CAPTCHA, integration, middleware, and user role with added functionality for handle success messages and display validation error. From creation, build a form of collect name, email, and password, including chair directive in the form of generic taken to prevent CHRF attacks. Validation and data handling. Validate inputs, name, email, format, password, strength. Hash the password before saving. Integrate Google CAPTCHA to prevent automate submission. Validation the CAPTCHA on the back end. Insert user data into a database upon registration. Assign a default role user upon registration. Success and error handle display a success message on successful registration. Show validation errors message below the form field if there are validation error. Highlight inputs with error and read and retain the old value file. So this is code. This is and register. Then after fill up auto register, then successful. Then let's log in. Fails. Mali at don't match the password. Then success.